Hello, welcome back to my channel. For the ones that are new here, welcome. My name is Jen, and for today's look we are going with a summer vibe eyeshadow look cut crease. For this tutorial, I am using the Morphe 35B palette as well as the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Without further ado, let's jump into this tutorial. For this tutorial, I am starting by priming my eyelids using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Milk. And then in the inner part of my crease, I will be using the shade Sunshine, which is the yellow shade from the Morphe 35B palette. On the other half of my crease, I will be packing this orangey shade, which is called Brilliant. And I will be packing these colors until I'm satisfied with the intensity. Make sure that you blend the yellow shade with the orange shade so there's no harsh line between the two colors. Then I will be cutting my crease using a concealer. On my eyelids, I will be using the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette, and I will be using 3 shimmery shades on my eyelids. I will go in first with this pink shimmery shade, which is Strawberry Lemonade, and then in the middle of my eyelids, I will go in with Citrus, and for the rest of my eyelids and the wing, I will be using this bronzy shade, which is Sugar Coated. Make sure that you blend all the shimmery shades when they meet each other, so you blend them together by dragging them towards the other color, if that makes sense. For foundation, I will be using the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Full Coverage Foundation in the color Cappuccino. Yeah, I have this big pimple on my cheek. It hurt so bad. I'm blending my foundation using my Real Techniques beauty sponge, which is damp. concealer, I will go in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer in the color Warm Honey. I will be highlighting under my eyes, above my lips, my chin, my nose, and my forehead. I will blend this out using again the Real Technique sponge. I don't know what discussion I was having here, but I was talking to my sister and it seemed pretty serious. To set my highlighted areas, I will go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the color Deep. And to set the remaining of my face, I will go in with the same finishing powder but in the color Dark. For contour, I will be using the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in the shade Dark to Deep, and I will be contouring my cheekbones, my jawline, and my nose. For blush, this is no surprise for those who are used to my channel. I'm using the Forever 21 Love and Beauty Ultimate Matte Blush Palette. Like I mentioned several times, I really love this palette because one, there's a lot of colors in there and it's so pigmented. Like I really have to be careful whenever I use it. For mascara, I'm using, again as usual, the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. To highlight, I will be using the highlight shade from the Black Radiance palette, and I will be highlighting my inner tear duct, my Cupid's bow, the top of my cheeks, nose, and bridge of my nose. To make my highlighted areas under my eyes pop more, I will go in with the Sacha Buttercup Setting Powder. For lips, I will be using the Nicka K Lip Pencil in the color Brown. For lipstick, I will go in with the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Ginger Snap, and on top of that I will go in with my lip gloss from the beauty supply store. And I'm pretty satisfied with the way it is looking. I'm very happy. Thank you so much for joining me today for this tutorial. It really makes me happy. I also hope that you did enjoy this video. And before we leave, do not forget to subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. And I will see you on my next one. Mwah.